This is an example of a data set that has been measured using a set of images that have been stepped in energy. So effectively we have a spectrum at each pixel within this image data set. And there's a mask buffer here that indicates a set of squares, and from these images spectra can be calculated, one spectrum for each one of these squares within this display here. When we do this, we end up with 16 LOOT spectra, lookup table spectra, and these lookup table spectra have been calculated in this case from the same data set, and this is before calibration in terms of energy, and this is after calibration in terms of energy. So we can see that the oxygen peak, while for the most part the squares produced a value that was relatively consistent in the one case before it was calibrated, whereas after calibration the consistency is much better because these images have all been shifted on a pixel by pixel basis in order to achieve the best possible energy calibration for spectra generated from that image data set.